As a Sri Lankan-born Australian, needless to say how much I like Sri Lankan cuisine. I faced 3 challenges when I tried to recreate my childhood flavors in my modern-day Aussie kitchen. 1. I don't have access to authentic ingredients. 2. I don't have time that my grandmothers had in the kitchen. 3. The lifestyle of my family is very different to my ancestors, so I have to make sure that the dishes I make are healthy to modern standards. That is why I like to grow few fresh ingredients like chilies in my very small garden. Curry leaves, not essential, but certainly bring back the childhood memories and smells in my grandmother's kitchen. Often, when people think about Asian cuisines, they think it involves a lot of spice grinding and toasting. Well, it could have been 2 generations ago, but not anymore. This is the first video of a series of videos that I am planning to make available to you on how to do healthy, tasty but simple Sri Lankan style dishes. But first thing is first, if you enjoy homemade Asian style cuisines, there are a few basic ingredients that you need to have in your kitchen. There are 4 ingredients that I think are a must. They are turmeric powder, Sri Lankan 5-spice or the curry powder, chili powder, and coconut milk powder. If you want to make meat curries, you need few more ingredients. Cardamom, nutmeg, tamarin, and cinnamon. I prefer the stick than the powder for the freshness and the flavor. So those are the 8 ingredients that you need for my recipes. Okay, the last thing to remember, it is very important that you retain the freshness of your spices. You can lose the flavor and the fragrance very quickly if you leave it in the open. I use these small containers to keep small amounts for daily use. The extra has to be sealed well and stored. You can go to your local Indian or Sri Lankan grocery shop and buy all these ingredients and more in one go. While you are at the shops, you can buy few different types of lentils. Yellow dal is one of the easiest lentils to cook.